What's going on, good people? Mr. Go Get It here. Thank y'all for coming through. I appreciate that. Hey, we back. We got another unboxing. And this the one right here. This the one that I know a few people been waiting on, as they got the heads up earlier as what's in this box. Some people already know, some people don't. Don't forget to follow me on the gram. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Like this video. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think about what's going on with the channel and all of that. All the great things we got in store. So much more to come. I appreciate all the support that's been coming through as of late. Trying to get this label off the box. I don't never take the label off. There we go. There we go. Still ain't get the address. There it is. Alright. So now I can move this box around however I want to. As you can see, straight from Nike. Straight from Nike. Just do it tape. Let me see. Let me see if I rip the label up so much you can't see it. Yeah, you can't see where it came from on the tracking label, on the shipping label, but we all know the tape. If you're worried about where it came from, then you know what the tape is. Let's bust this hole open. Let's bust this hole open. We gotta bust this hole open. We gonna bust this hole open. Open. Oh, it's the bottom. I want to open from the other side. We're going to do it from the other side. We're going to do it from the other side. So let's do it from this side, because I want to see the top of the box. That's the bottom of the box down there. And bust this hole open. We going to bust this hole open. We going to bust this hole open. We gon' bust this hole open. We gon' bust this hole open. We gon' bust this hole open. My box bent like that though. How my box bent like that though? All right, y'all. I've been sitting on this box. I've been sitting on this box for quite some time. And the time has finally come to see what these things look like in hand. I done watched a million damn videos on these shoes. I've been watching all the apps, looking at the prices go up and down, up and down. Well, actually, they was super up, then they went down when everybody got their shoes. Now they slowly climbing back up. As soon as that motherfucker hit 2K, I'm cashing in. I ain't gonna cap. I ain't gonna cap. As soon as this bitch hit 2K, I'm cashing in. Oh. Let's get these gloves. Let's get these gloves on, man. Alright, let's take it out the box. Let's take the shoe box out the shipping box. Ooh, wee. Ooh, wee. It's a big ass box. It's a big ass. Let me read the label. Women's Air Jordan Retro 4 SP Sail Muslin White and Black. Look at this size though. Look at that money size right there. Size 14 women, 12 and a half men. Ooh, I can fit these. I can fit these. I can fit these. Alright, we all know the off-white box. The Swiss cheese off-white box. I thought they was just doing this for the off-white 5s because the 5 had the holes in them or the circles in them, whatever you want to call them. But nope, they continued it with this one. It's a 4. It doesn't have holes, yet the box has holes. No holes on this side of the box. Holes everywhere else except for right here. This must be the church side because ain't no holes in it. All right, let's get into it, man. Let's get to what we came to see. I love this box though. It's huge too. It's a huge box, but I guess I'll give y'all first look. Fuck it. Hold on. Gotta cheat a little bit. All right. Oh my God. What did my box look like? It been through some shit. It's definitely not the prettiest box. Ooh, what is that? Oh, laces. Alright, so we got the black laces. We got the white laces. Not attached to the shoes. Not attached to the shoes. None of these laces were attached to the shoes. So 3 different laces. Man, fuck them laces, cuz. Fuck them laces, cuz. Get to this shoe. Get to this shoe. Alright, I'm pulling out the one with the zip tie. Of course. Look at this massive freaking shoe. Shout out to Brittany Griner, because you about the only one that can fit this massive, beautiful. I'm not showing y'all the outside because I'm looking at it my damn self. Look at this shoe. Look at this. Just would you look at that? I would tell y'all how I feel, but I'm not touching it. I will not be touching this shoe with my bare hands. No. Not until, I don't know, I might. I might have to put these on feet. Oh no. Oh no. Now we are, oh my God. The off-white Jordan 4 Sails. Beautiful shoe. Absolutely beautiful. After I give it some more spins, I'll get into, I'll do a review on them. I ain't even gonna do a review on them right now. I'll do a review on them after we just take a look at them. We got the bottom, fire bottom. Y'all know I love my bottoms. Y'all know I love my bottoms, so we must do it. Put that bottom in my face. Put that bottom in my face. Yeah. These things is nasty. Look at the bottom. The bottom with that Tiffany blue on there. Yeah, that's hard. Yeah, that's hard. Let me see if I can. There we go. A little better with the lighting. These shits is hard, bruh. Hard, bruh. Hard. And we got the multi. What color laces would you put in them? They got them laced up tight. They got these things laced up tight. I don't even think motherfuckers be able to put their foot in there the way they got these things laced. They got them laced tight. What color lace you going with? You going with the original packaging? You gonna go black? That black kind of tough too. Bring out the air on the side. You gonna go mint? I think that mint probably go the hardest to me, just to be different. Just to be different. Yeah, but we'll go into more detail about this shoe. We'll go into more detail about this shoe though. That bottom in my face. I'm gonna do a review on them, and yeah. So as always, if you want it, go get it.